Somebody's made it up.
Nakakalakad naman po siya.
No, what are you doing? Something?
Alam ko dito sila.
Oo.
Pero bago dito sila, sir.
Eh, meron yung sinasabi kanina. Dalawa sila sabi niya.
Ay, punta na kayo ron. Ay, punta na kayo dito. Ay, pala, wala pala sila. Ito lang ang talaga na gano'n. Tapos,
Tatay mo.
kaya ba dito? Dito, balikan dito. Ikaw makakapo eh.
Niloloko mo ako, Mark.
Ha? Ito, bandi lang ito. Pero dito na ako.
Why didn't you tell me?
Di ba? Ano na rin po.
No.
Hindi kaya ko.
Kaya niya lang.
That's possible.
If I didn't want you to marry in Richmond, would I have married you?
Ay, nagtitherapy ba yan?
If he's our only option.
Ano? Yung doctor sa Rizal pa. Wala yun rin.
Saan?
Sa Rizal.
Yung ready ha?
Pwede siya.
So, every ano ang sa'yo na yun?
Once a week.
Ang kipuncture lang?
Oo.
We're just trying to concentrate. Boy! I'm going to
Hindi siya
sing.
tinitherapy.
Wait. Oh, sir. Is that? Maybe it's mafia.
Ano ba yun? Anong ano na?
What did the mafia be doing?
Alam niyo yung pangalan?
So,
Did my
Anong
homework.
pinupunta niya?
It's up to anyone.
si Hong Abit sa capital niya.
Siya yung nakakalam?
Oh. Ito, Marcon. Hello?
Start.
Run if I ever go coach.
Bakit dito sila sa labas? Teka, Sarah.
Sige pa, sige pa.
Meron.
Sige, check ko muna. So, ilang ano po kayo siya? Ilang taon na o buwan na?
9 months, 9 years.
9 years na po na ganyan.
Hmm.
So, dati nung na-stroke po kayo,
Okay.
pang ilang stroke
Here we
po?
go then.
Isa pa lang. So ngayon, ang ano niyo po, ang concern niyo, ang concern niyo, hindi niyo maigalaw ang kalahati.
Kalahati. Oo.
Sa dila niyo po, okay naman.
Pagka meron, kaya ka.
Hindi, I mean, yung dila niyo naman, bulon.
Actually, wala akong speech difficulties.
All right, Pat.
So dito lang talaga sa kanya, yun naman sa paa.
Good
Sa
seeing
ayaw
you.
na kami, ayaw na.
Ayaw talaga.
Ayaw.
Managed the last time.
Huwag ka magagalit ha.
Ay, okay naman. Sanay ako sa
That
limo.
was the cliches, but everything comes.
Tanggalin natin sa yung sapatos ha.
Ako na. Yan lang yan.
Here's where the magic
Okay,
happens.
okay na po yung nakamigas.
If you like to have a
Yung
go at
manas
it,
niya.
snuggle over here.
Oo.
Oh, here. That means
Okay, ano mo na siya. Punta ako na si Papasundo sa capital.
process. Must be a faulty batch.
Sige na.
Sige pa, sige pa.
Faulty batch.
Not to worry. Let's move on, shall we?
Parsons are kindly given to the Parsons community by May.
So, ang acupuncture lang po yung treatment na ginawa.
Yes, the carrots are
Ilang ano po,
generous.
ilang session yun.
In
Mga
that
dalawa na.
business,
Ay, so bago pa lang kayo papunta doon.
Bago pa lang.
nah, you, this is man's work. So why don't you just stay down here and try not to break anything?
Nagpapa-therapy din ako, kaya lang wala pa akong pamasahe papuntang therapy.
Saan ba may nag-therapy?
Sa Amerika.
Ha? Malayo. Sige, higa kayo sa tihaya. Yung safety tayo.
Ang ko pa rin ang kapagod ko.
Opo. Yan guys, so ang client po natin ay na-stroke. Ano yung natin sa kanya pa?
Come on, Noel. We're getting hammered here, sorry.
Nasanay
What is it?
ano pa?
It's just that
Nasanay yung nauna.
there's something
Oo,
really
napaunat lang siya.
Sure.
Pagka ibabalak ko, hindi sila ito ng
And
tanan. Para
the skin's
babalak ko.
orange. No, I mean,
Pero
I
yung
think I've
babalak
heard
ko
before.
ng voluntary, hindi.
My mom and dad were talking about it.
Merong mga time na ganun
Let's
yung
talk about it later. Right now, we need to win this game. I didn't see that one coming.
tigas na.
I can't believe it's come to
Dapat nun pa sana na tinitherapy ko para ginando.
Listen, O'Hanlon.
Nagpa-therapy din ako dito kaya ako saglit.
Okay, as far as
Walang
I'm concerned,
papayad.
this is all
Mm.
water under the bridge.
Dito po sa atin.
No.
Well, what kind of
Normally
stuff
na
was young and real was a
nung
beautiful woman.
bago-bagong stroke ko na
Oh,
therapy
yeah.
ngayon.
Well, I guess I
Nag-therapy
did.
naman.
Sa ibang bansa.
Dito rin.
Dito.
Smashing the entire production line of snow.
Nakailang session tayo.
Knocking over one of the oldest machines.
Marami-rami din
Clumsy.
binantayan din ako ng kwan.
Yeah, an accident that happened just after your parents threatened to change their will.
Yes, well, they didn't, did they?
Everything all right here, gentlemen?
So ito siguro nung huminto yung therapy mo.
Junior?
Kaya ano siya, naka-extend lang.
Oh, how is
Kasi yung nagpa-therapy ko, napunta ako ng therapy ko.
We need
Huwag
this.
mo kayong magpa-therapy na yung pinukuryente na.
Opo.
At titigas sabi niya yung mga dito.
Nagpa-kuminto
Sir
ka
Holland?
hindi.
Ay, sinuho mo ng ganun ng therapy.
Junior, isn't it?
Kuryente.
Mr. Holland,
Nakailang session kayo ng
he
kuryente.
doesn't always ask
Pero
me,
hindi ko alam.
but he is, really.
Matagal-tagal din yan.
But he said you
Sige,
were.
person yung ano.
No, it's just that he's been working really hard. And since my
Sipa-sipa.
mom left, he hasn't been the same.
Hindi.
You don't need an
Pag
excuse.
ano, pag tinupi
With
ko,
all of her
bitawan
problems,
niyo yung
understand.
basa.
I just
Okay,
hate for
sipa.
you to get the wrong
Sipa.
impression of him, that's all.
Lambot.
Let's get back to your dad and move in.
Okay.
Bye, Mr. Holland.
Well, did he buy it?
I think so, Dad.
You are learning. Slowly.
Come on, Mama. We'll be honest soon. I don't think I like that man.
Which man?
One of the fake tan with the sick, you know, the parent.
Noel,
Hindi ba sa...
There's something about him. You don't like him, I think.
Listen, that man might be the only hope we have of saving the factory.
Look, he's not that bad. Come on. Joe, have you got the keys, love?
Of course I got the keys.
Sarang. Tumabi na.
You can have the argument.
Ladies, gentlemen, potters, they say the best speeches start with a little joke. So, alright, ask you, how much does a potter actually earn?
What are they saying?
Pag inaapak niyo po ito, nakaganon na, no? Yan.
That's always free.
Ganyan.
They never take any.
Dapat siya, nalalapat siya lahat. Ilalapat niya siya lahat. Ito. Ano nararamdaman niyo dito? Na mamahit pa ba?
Pottery
Yes,
is in trouble.
Pero itong function ng ano ng pag-deliver ng pain sa iyo kapag
All is not
pinipindot ko,
lost.
normal.
Have a potential
Ayan.
buyer. And he's here to
Dito.
say a few words. Hope you may remember him.
Ang sakit.
Pat
Dito.
Fitzgerald.
Parehas. Tapos masakit dito. So, ibig sabihin mahina ang function nito. Yung delivery niya ng pain dun sa office.
Now, please, calm down. You let me explain.
So, nagpa-function na. Okay, relax ka lang. Buhay yun na lang.
Let's give him a chance.
Oh, my dad's sleeping. Doesn't look like it's going well.
May pain
I'm sure hasn't the McCarran family always been good to us in the past?
Not this McCarran! The best thing he ever did for this place
Okay,
was to leave!
relax.
Every man deserves a second
Pakiramdaman niyo yung sakit po dito kung magkaparehas sila din sa kabila. Dito.
Ito ang sakit dito.
Deserve a second
Mas malakas ang sakit dito. Yung dito.
Parang may kuryente dyan sa kabilo.
Kapag-
Sakit. Pinipisil. Aray yan, bakit?
Hindi, I mean yung sakit nito sa
This is
dito,
why we're
ipag-compare mo sila kung magkaparehas sila o mas masakit sa kabila.
Mas masakit dito.
Dito.
Oo.
Ito.
Thank you.
Ibang pakiramdam niya sa kaliwa.
Okay.
I was born.
Inaano ko siya para napapantay yung pakiramdam mo.
I grew up round here. These glens are just as much a part of me as my own son. My one true
Meron
heir.
kayo clinic dito sa Baler?
This
Wala
is
po.
Junior. Say hello.
Dito lang ako pupunta.
Wala kayo pa.
Kapag may mag-schedule mo dito, iniipon ko lang sila eh.
Thank you.
Tapos dito na natin pupunta.
Now I want Junior to grow up to love this village just as much as I do. So let me assure you all that under our ownership, everyone will be guaranteed.
Anong mataas sa yung stroke prime?
Yes, and not only that,
Anong
those of
pumas?
you
Anong nag-post?
Blood pressure.
O kung ano kung
will
sumubra
receive
doon?
a check
Sugar, cholesterol?
for
Hindi, blood pressure, mataas na yung pressure.
Oo, tataas na yung pressure ng blood kung mayroong sobra kung sa apat. Na uric acid, uric.
smile.
Apat yun yung isang, uric, cholesterol.
Uric yan.
Ano to? Ano to nakalagay dito?
Cellphone lang yan na one.
Akala ko mag-gadget kayo na para sa ano. Okay. Tantayin ko po yung ano, yung perasan nito o yung perasan sa kabila.
Sign up too strong. You have to be tough. This
Okay.
has been a
Sipa.
whirlwind of a year.
Sipa. Tulak. Okay, sabay mo. Mas malakas naman yata yung na-paralyzed. Oo, mas malakas.
Pero kasi nakukuha ko dito at baka mapalakas ko dito.
Sige, sige. Ibigay mo na. Ibigay mo na yung talagang lakas. Sige. Okay. Okay. Sige. 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 Okay.
Maria
Medyo,
Manelli.
hindi malakas na.
Yes, of course. You do not look a day older than you were at 18.
Well, I'd like you to meet.
Nice to meet Carrot.
Please, call me Pat. Pleased to meet you, Noel. What a festive name. If you'll excuse me, Maria.
Do you fancy a pick around this?
I don't know. I don't play soccer. Just American football.
Well, it's pretty
Anong
similar.
pagkakaiba ng chiropractic sa massage therapist?
Malaki po.
You kids
Malaki.
play a
Pangalan pa lang iba na eh.
Tama nga. Pero
Oh,
yung
Junior.
Hindi, ang
10.
sistema magkaiba. Bali, ang ginagawa ko sa'yo ngayon, physical therapy and then adjustment.
Advising with the locals.
Inuna ko muna yung physical therapy. Kailangan mo kasi ng therapy. Tapos mamaya, adjustment din magkatapos. Sige.
Mr. Shepard.
Sana yun.
Why do you always ask if it's
Dapat ito
me,
sir, ano, lagay
Carrot?
niyo
My name comes up with
bagay
a
na
phone, you
mga
idiot.
tigas.
No, don't talk.
Ilagay niyo
Just
siya dyan para
tell
may
me
strip
how,
niyo po
man.
siya.
Yes, it went
Tapos,
very well.
tanggalin
and
niyo
I think
every
we'll have
30
their full consent by the end of the week.
Good. Glad to hear that.
Kunyari ganyan,
You
di ba?
said you'd go far.
Dapat may matigas na bagay dyan na nakasangkal
Thank you.
para naka-straight po siya.
Peace and quiet.
Tapos tanggalin nyo every 30 minutes. Hindi naman pwede na nakaganon lang.
Sure.
Kasi kapag tumagal ganon na lang yan.
Okay?
Ito naman, pag natagal na kaganon, nakaganon na lang siya. Kaya kailangan siyang buhayin. Sige, tiisin nyo lang yung sakit. Masakit talaga. Kasi babalik natin sa ano.
Are they still making those snow globes?
Do not worry about the snow globe,
Sa
sir.
ilang years,
Soon
9 years,
there will be
tagal na.
no snow globe.
Oo, tagal na.
I like them.
Well, I guess we could always
Tinatanong
make them in China.
Saan kayo na-stroke dito? Nasa Pilipinas?
Signatures. I want to be underway by the new year. Do you understand?
Kaya lang ako umuwi dito.
Yes, sir.
Nabukan ako ng English.
Yes, sir.
Mapapauwi ka talaga. Pag
He was
ulan.
so proud of your dad.
I'm sure he is.
Okay.
Ah,
Yan, set na siya.
Potter's Glen Potteries. Place
So,
should
dapat
have
mo
flat
malagyan
years
ka
ago.
na. Sino ba nag-alaga sa'yo, sir? Yung kasama mo
Imagine
kanina?
this all makes way for
I-explain ko
Carrots,
na sa kanya.
Christmas Kingdom, Casino.
Dati nilalagyan ko ng tennis ball yan. Kaya lang
Hindi,
nalalagyan ko.
ang tennis ball pag, ano, pag nagagalaw mo. Parang may pisil-pisil mong gano'n.
There are two types of people in this world, Junior. And I hate them both.
Pwedeng time out sandali
Yeah.
lang at ako'y
The other car.
mahina ang pain question.
Pain
Get it.
tolerance.
Now.
Ayun yung hawakan mo. Sige, hilain mo.
The bike from the market?
Ang normal yung function na.
Do you remember that film?
Oh, ba't mo
You know, the one with
kaya...
all the pastries in the calendar?
No.
I think we're going to need considerably bigger ones.
Up.
What did I ever
Okay.
say?
Ibig sabihin, nakukontrol mo siya.
You don't look a day older
Sige,
than when you
iiwan
were
na lang
18.
natin. Kulang lang talaga sa ano, therapy.
I overheard Mr. McCarran and his son talking.
What have I told you about eavesdrop?
Please
Sabihin mo,
get back
Mama.
to his old factory, Dad. There's something about it. And that mama
Kulang
knew
lang
about
talaga siya sa therapy. Dapat tuloy-tuloy niya.
It's okay. Everyone liked him. Well, after I stepped up, you should have
Wala
seen
ko natin kaya ng babae.
No, you don't understand. I made them
Hawakan
listen.
ko, mas isang
Oh, yeah?
mahubol sa
Why'd you do
hawakan.
that?
Please,
Basta
Mama.
yung dalawang gawin, gagamitin mo. Ay, hindi nga kaya, Dad.
What have I told you?
Hindi kaya.
There's no such thing as miracles. Now, he's not my favorite person either, but we need him. So just stay out of it, okay?
Why don't I just stare at him everything then?
Hindi.
Don't be so silly, Noel.
Smart, Joe. Real smart.
Okay, side kayo sa doon. Hindi, pahiga ang side.
There.
Yan, okay. Relax lang.
Come on, love. Come here.
Okay, relax lang. Mobilis lang.
Now, your daddy didn't mean it.
Medyo mababa ang shoulder mo.
Being under a lot of pressure at work.
He's always under a lot of pressure nowadays. What is it with him and Mr. McCarran anyway?
Magkano naman ang per session sa ganito?
He asked me to marry him before your daddy did.
Mr. McCarran?
Pero ano lang yun ha, yung adjustment lang sana yun. Pero sa inyo,
It's gonna
adjustment with ano na yan.
cars, he lives in a car.
Adjustment, therapy with adjustment. Pero di same pa rin.
That's kind of why they don't
Same pa rin.
exactly see eye to eye.
And now he's buying the factory.
Kailangan kasi ganito ang face.
No, he's not. He's changing all of it.
Sometimes we need change now. Maybe he's exactly what Potter's Glen needs. Come on, get to sleep, okay? And don't you worry everything.
Ala, tapos na ito mamaya pagdating ng dalawa. Si Mama Abe.
Ang pagkakita ng mga dito dahil ganito ko.
Okay. Sige po, upo kayo.
I heard him say really nasty things. It just always up to no good. But my dad's so happy. He said that Mr. McCarran is the reason we don't have to move
Adjustment muna
away.
tayo.
What could we do anyway?
Why don't you do that thing you do well?
Face to.
You know, use your miracle part.
Miracles don't exist for boys.
Nadadagan niyo siguro ito pag nag-ano kayo.
How do you
Nakahiga.
Because I've seen it.
Oo.
I believe. Remember all the times we made our teachers be nice? I
Hindi
believe in
nadadagan
that.
ito, lalo
Let's try to try.
wala naman pong history dito sa taas na may nagparang dugo sa kapag.
Come on. Okay. All I need is to catch his attention and look him in the eye. How do we get his attention?
Okay, relax.
Football straight to the head.
I-adjust na natin. Okay, relax. Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Well, look
Oh.
who it is.
Hindi pa yung wig ko.
I was off the timer.
Okay, kumila. Relax lang. Okay, 1, 2, 3.
The new
Okay.
outbuilding will be built along there, which will provide access off the main drag. Part of it along here.
Pingot.
We could go either way on that. I'm not sure which.
Nung elementary ako, sanay ako sa lingot. At
Or it.
pili ako ng elementary.
See
Para
how my
sa
factory
pingot ng teacher.
scheme
Dad,
will
Dad.
lift the economy of this entire area. See?
Ako nga ngayon yung mga teacher
Excuse me
na
a moment.
nagiging customer ko. Nakagaganti na ako sa inyo.
I will talk to
Kaya napipingot sila.
You are not
Si Tami yung masakit siya.
play football.
Kasi naano siya.
Use your head.
Okay, relax lang. 1, 2,
Who was that?
1, 2, 3. Oh, yun. Okay, streaming ka mo.
little.
Iyakas mo yung ulo. Tapos, labas ang
Now,
bibig.
My miracle power didn't work.
I told you, there's no such thing as miracles. I'm
Tapos
going.
nalabas.
I should have never listened to you. This is what happens when you break the rules.
Relax.
Okay, come on,
1,
Simon.
2, 3.
Someday we'll know the truth. And then you'll be sorry.
Sa higa kayong batagilid, dito yung ulo.
Sorry, Noel. My mom's making sausage rolls and spaghetti noodles.
Tagilid po sa akin. Dito yung ulo niyo. Dito yung paa.
Hindi ko kayang mahiga ng paganda.
Ah,
Ganyan, dito lang muna ako higa. Tapos,
ay,
Welcome everyone to this very special
Okay,
day.
ganyan na guys.
Signing of the new ownership agreement of Potter's Glen Pottery.
pinatag lang po kayo.
Such a sadness that the village community is so proud. However, it feels right that it goes back to the McCarran family.
Okay, no?
Messing around again. Are we?
I know you're not
Kabila. Kaya niyo sa kabila. Tagilid sa kabila.
Of course, I'm not in charge. And no one wants to make the globes in China.
Okay.
Gotta go.
Tupin natin to.
Important business.
both my son and I will be leaving soon to announce our Potter's Glen plans at
Okay.
Stormont. Both
Okay.
TV
1, 2,
and the
3.
BBC will be there, so you will all get to witness my,
Okay.
our
Yeah.
big moment live on television.
There has been a fire in the furnace room. Please form an orderly queue and exit the building. This is not a drill. Please leave immediately by the exit.
Isang hawak lang.
I told you to leave this alone.
Ano na agad eh.
Fuck up your man, that is fixed.
Parang hindi ka na nag-export ng export na ako. Sumama ka na sa
So
malakas
you
na
know this is not fake, it's pure Californian sunshine.
Okay, okay.
He wants to make a hotel here just for
Kaya niyo dito yung ulo niyo.
I'm grateful to make the
Okay.
country
Tingnan
China.
natin.
The little girl's obviously confused. She means porcelain. It would make a snow globe out of China.
Stop. You could ruin this for everyone. We're trying to save Potter's Glen here.
But you're not. I am not trying to cause any trouble, Daddy. Honestly, my miracles just won't work anymore.
Ikaw ha?
Oh, bakit?
Huwag na bumalik sa lista.
So much trouble. You can stay up here while we finish
Halika kayo.
this.
Sabi mo, malapit na kita rito. Ikaw, tayo ako ha?
Hinihintay namin kayo doon.
Bango naman. Ay, naka-live.
Imagination of
Morning po.
Sige, relax.
Well, that was alarming.
Ay, Madam Nicole.
Hello po.
Aray ko.
Kaya.
Dapat yung galit sa akin si Mama Abed.
Okay. Okay.
Thank you, everyone. If you would like to come up and sign your agreements, then Prontius
Mama Abed, galit ka talaga sa akin. Ano?
Galit na galit.
Oo eh.
She popped the other around. You don't push it
Up, baba. Okay.
Later.
Rats, even called
Okay, relax po.
China.
Relax
China.
lang. Okay, inhale.
No.
Exhale.
Your hands have been
Okay.
the bane of my life.
Relax muna.
So you go and you find her and you shut
Basta mag-alala ko
her
yan.
up.
Naranasan ko yan lahat.
Oh, Junior,
Yeah, Dad?
try not to disappoint me.
Okay, upo po tayo.
Ilang sessions yan? Mga 5 po, ano?
Medyo matagal-tagal.
Pinapangunahan kasi di mo maabit na 5 po. Dapat 49 lang eh. Ang ganda mo 5 po.
Okay, sige. Sa kamay tayo. So itong kamay niya, lagyan niyo ng ano, ng
Makinig ka.
yung bagay na
I
matikas.
needed your help.
I-strip yan, tapos every 30 minutes tanggalin siya.
No.
Para hindi siya masanay na ganito.
Okay, ingat ko magbibigay ng isa.
Sige, ano natin. May-strip ko na ito kanina eh.
Talaga?
Where did she go?
I don't know. Hey,
Lisa, Mama,
Yeah, relax na.
look at you. You're so pathetic.
at least we know how to have fun.
Relax. Hayaan niyo na yung pain. Okay. 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 Okay Na-straight mo kanina. Kailangan niya lang lagyan ng ano, yung bagay na matigas para ma-flat na gano'n. So every 30 minutes siya.
I know how to have fun, alright? My
Encyclopedia
daddy and me, we own this.
Pwede.
We
Mas
can do
matigas yun.
Pag matigas ang ulo, puput mo yung encyclopedia sa ulo niya, di ba?
like knocking down everything and making them a carrot Christmas
Pero
kingdom.
mag-straight niya ngayon, medyo dahan-dahan lang. Kasi pag binigla mo siya, masarap.
Get it?
Ayan. Okay. So, relax.
Noel! Noel!
Tumigas sa, ano, sa sobrang tagal na siya.
Where are you? Bria! Bria! Have you seen Noel?
What?
Oh, Joe, not again. I can't find her anywhere.
Maybe she's gone home on a assault.
Let's go, quick.
Sabi ko, nandun ako kahapon.
Yeah, good. Good Christian.
What are you kids up to? Where's Noel?
I think she went up the mountain coach.
On her own. It's dangerous up there. Those paths aren't
So,
safe.
bumaba pa yung shoulder niya. Lagi niyang nadadaganan niya pag natutulog.
Hey there! Look,
Yung may session
don't be
ko,
frightened. Wanna ride?
Yung may session
Look, Noel, we're gonna offer your dad a big promotion. Think about how happy you're going to be.
I-update niyo na lang po.
Ilagod ka na lang kung...
Ay, i-update kita kung pupunta ako dito.
Pwede lang, it depends on the availability of
Pag
funds.
ka na availability, sabi mo na kung bayaran. Kaya ito ni ano ko. Sabi naman,
Be up there! Noel!
bakit kailan bang bumait sa'yo?
Hindi ka po.
Where is she, Joe?
Hindi na niya kilala.
hindi na ako kilala.
Asawa ni...
I know you want to shop factor.
Ayan,
So why does my
Hindi na
believe you?
kilala, promise.
Your friend
Yeah, I
doesn't
don't
believe you.
kilala. Kaya
Hindi
lang.
natin.
Why does your daddy not believe you?
Does he not love you? You don't
Ito naman
even
yung
know what
pang
love is. My daddy does love
medyo
me.
late.
At least he doesn't tell me to
Kasi
man
tinis
up.
ko kanina.
Maybe you should
Sakit
though.
na nararamdaman
You
niya
don't
sa
know
ano
what
to.
it's like to be me.
Medyo hindi
You
niya
can have fun all the time,
Pero
and you don't have to
nakakaramdam.
think about anybody
Hindi
but
lang
yourself.
Pero yung ano niya naman, yung pang pwersa niya, okay naman yung
Who are
pwersa.
you?
Kaya kapag nilalakad niyo po, huwag pa ganun ha. Huwag pa ganyan.
What about these
Dapat
guys?
nilalapat mo
Get her.
ganyan.
Pinipili ko talaga.
Yan. Kasi kaya siya nag-extend yung ganyan dahil yung lakad niya pa ganun. Dapat na ganun. Saka hindi lagi dapat nakasapato. Saka naka-medyas. Kasi mayroong kasing tulong yung walang
I was going to
cover
see you.
I didn't think you were here.
para makapag-absorb ng ano.
Ang totoo, pagka wala akong medyo, wala sapatos na lalaki, hindi na ako po
Well,
komportable.
no. Well,
Hindi, kasi nasanay nyo dun.
special.
Pero dapat sanayin nyo na wala din sa
Para akong matutwist yung burger ko.
Pero dapat
Pero
masanay nyo
kuya,
po.
medyo kumanda yung kamay niya. Yung kanina, di ba nakagano na siya?
She's my best
Hindi ko pwede
friend.
exercise niya gano'n.
Hindi ako.
Yung kabila.
I'll let her down.
Yung kabila ko yun.
Hindi lang problema kasi hindi nyo siya. Kailangan po yan na sanayin po muna ma-straight. Pag
Well,
hindi
you
ganun.
tell everyone what Kurt's son just
Hindi
said.
po pwede. Dahil nasanay na nakaantok.
I have one idea. I've got a code.
Ano, medyo
Tingnan mo yung, ano mo yung kuya yung bola na ano, yung may tusok-tusok.
hindi pa pwede yun.
Hindi pwede.
Oo, kasi hindi din pa may
I'll
ganun.
never have miracle powers.
Ang required pa lang muna ngayon, dapat laging naka-straight.
Yung flat na
That
matigas na
man,
encyclopedia.
stupid son.
Pag matigas ang ulo niyo, pokpok yung
The
encyclopedia
one
sa
with the
kanya.
leathery skin and fake smile who carried. I hate him.
It. Did you ever think
Wala maabit ha.
why it's not?
Concern
Love
ko
is the
yung mga pinawalan ko.
Don't be hard.
But they hate me and they
Last,
no one believes
hindi
in
lang.
alongside those
Gila,
papers.
gila, gila kuya. Ay, hindi ko tigil.
Labas.
My friends think I'm
Labas,
crazy.
labas,
My
yeah.
dad's really mad at me.
Habaan mo.
We all lost.
Ang ganda.
It's only lost.
Kaya pa naman, sabi niya kanina sa akin, kaya pa naman ganun.
Lalabas ako at baka nahiya siyang lumila. Ay, bata.
Sige, diba? Sige, labasin mo. Sa
You're
taas.
going to give up? Let the hatred win?
Medyo, ano siya, medyo
You're the captain, Noel.
baba.
You're gonna get it.
When? Or yours?
Hilain natin.
When?
Good. Now I will have to find a way to get
Yung
you right
kahapon
back.
na ano siya eh.
Coach?
Pare din daw yun eh. Sa Maria Aurora. Oo. Maliban lang kay Father Roy lang.
Oh, this way.
Malinis ko ito.
Oo, pwede.
Panghawak ko sa ano nila. Sige, labas. Relax lang. Ay, hindi pa. Sinawakan mo
You
pa lang.
take your time.
Sige, relax lang. Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Clean yourself up. Good look at this. You look like one of
Masakit ko
those.
talaga.
I can't have you ruining my image
Tingin sa akin.
in front of the cameras.
Okay, mga.
Mo lang.
Dad,
Sabihin.
is this all the right
Close,
thing to
close.
do?
Mga. Close.
Let me tell you something.
Mga.
I grew up
Dahan-dahan
down
close.
here. The sea,
Okay, isa pa.
these
Mga.
hills, the pine
Dahan-dahan close.
in my veins.
Okay.
This village means the world to me.
Ito, masakit.
Really?
Of course not.
Okay.
This place stinks. And I can't wait to hold
Sasaktan
on.
natin talaga.
Now,
Ito
Gary,
nga lang. Dito.
Sandali. Okay, sige, mga.
storm off by 4.
Laban na siya. Okay. Dumugo lang. Dudugo talaga yan.
Nag-extend na po yung dila niya.
Oo.
Ikaw, kumusta yung mga Canada?
Okay na po.
May trabaho na kaya.
Okay na. Naayos ko yung lamingan.